Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to take a look at how atomic fusion works. It is a bubble extension to help create bubble applications fast. So let's take a look at how it works and how you can go about it. So right now we are in the bubble editor, as you can see, and once you have installed the extension you can go ahead and enable it. It is right here. So it will prompt you to create an account if you're using it for the first time. So you can go ahead and do that. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what Atomic Fusion offers. So right now we have block components, UI kit, themes, landing page, code locker, UI locker, and it is really pretty cool. So let's take a look at one by one and see how it looks. So right now into block components, we have about cloud section, CTA, call to action, heroes, and header section. That's the first main section that you see on a website. An info section and login and sign up page, navigation, terms and condition. So these are pretty much the most essential sections or a part of a website or of any website for that matter. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the UI kits. There's Atomic Block, Toaster Kit, and Toaster Kit has two. One is the starter page, and another one is the hero sign up, which is pretty cool. And let's take a look at themes. And it is kind of like an analytics page, and it is the pro version. Currently, I'm on the free version, so I can't access all of the components or the layouts that they offer. So that's there. So in landing page we have clones, and it all looks really pretty cool. So it's depending on what kind of website that you're going for. We have a couple of free ones here which doesn't say pro, so we can take a look at that as well. So let's head out and let's look at launch and coming soon. It looks pretty clean, clean design, so that's really nice. So now let's go ahead back to themes, and let's take a look at Atomic, one of the free options. So I'm going to head back to clones, which had the really pretty clean design. So it's not in clones. Yes, the coming soon one. So how this works is that once you have landed or you like a particular design, so you can just simply click on it. So here you can see the analytics which says that people have used it 86 times, which is pretty cool because it does look pretty cool and it's like very clean and minimal design. And yeah, so now you can do one or the other thing, which is copy or preview. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how it actually looks when if you want to use this particular design in your application. So I'm going to click on preview, and here we have it. So it looks pretty cool. It's like um, what do you say, a breadcrumb format, but it's like an individual format as well, and it's pretty nice with the rounded corners. It's not too round, it's very modern and very clean. So it's really nice. And yeah, so let's go ahead into the bubble editor and see how we can copy this into our bubble application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, and it says it has copied landing page. So I'm going to go head back. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and I'm going to create a new page, and let's do landing page. Okay, and I'm going to hit on create. Okay, so our empty page is now created. So now since I have already copied the template, so I'm going to click on paste. Okay, page name. Okay, it's pasting a page. So page was like coming soon, as you can see here. So that's the name of the page. So let's go ahead and create it. So a new page is being created. As you can see, it looks really, really clean, and yeah, it's really nice. So let's go ahead and preview this page that we have copied and we have just created. So let's go ahead and click on preview. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can modify it. So now let's go ahead and click on one of these. Double click. It is text navigation. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you can see that it says reveal in the elements tree. Click on that and it reveals everything, just like how you would create an application from scratch, or you would use a block like Airdiv and Canvas. So it's something similar to that. So yeah, so it's pretty much the same format except it comes pre-built like a template. So that is really, really cool. So yeah, so let's see what we can change. Notify. So let's see where this is located. It's right here. So yeah, email, notify me. Let's change this notify me to, let's say, subscribe, maybe. RIPA. Okay, that's pretty cool. And it has it's the font is tiny, but it's not that tiny that's not visible. So for the subtitle, I was thinking of having the website based on flowers. So I'm going to maybe write it down like uh, um, flowers to from flowers to bouquet. We do it all on any occasion. Yes, I think that's nice. Maybe you can put it down to the next line, maybe, and see how it looks. No, let's do it all on any occasion. Yes, I think that looks nice. So yeah, so let's go ahead and close this out, and let's rename this to, let's see, double click on that, beta launch. So I'm going to click on rename this to maybe sign up app, yes, or capital U, sign up, yes, that's good. So now let's go ahead and switch up the logo, so it's right here. And since it is a static image, you can switch it up. So I'm going to click on this once, selecting the image, click on open. Since it is a flower website, I've kept the logo as a flower, but we can obviously change the logo later on as well. So now it looks really nice. One thing that we still need to change is this line. So notify me when awesome when, let's make it like a pun, maybe, I don't know. Notify me when flowers fall. Fall. Yeah. Fall launches. Okay. It's like a pun, like when flowers launch, like when new flowers are added to the website. Notify me at that point, something like that. So that is pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and preview this. So a flower is right here and the sign up, which is pretty cool. From flowers to a bouquet. From flowers to bouquet, we do it all on any occasion. Notify me when falls launches. It's pretty cool, and yeah, it is really, really nice. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.